It's funny how day by day nothing changes, but when you look back, everything is different. It happens before you know it, the handprints become higher and higher, and then they disappear. This is a story about enjoying the little things with the ones you love the most. This is a first for everything, a youth mule deer hunt in New Mexico following Hunter Flint Williams and his dad, Jeremy Williams.
I just like being out here in the outdoors. You know, it's beauty.
Yeah.
I like seeing the world come to life in the morning times. You're out here at daylight, you can see the birds wake up, see hear that raven over there crowing, see the deer out walking.
You know, it's weird how the earth is like, so perfect, but it's something, how the tilt, if that thing tilted a little bit to that way or that way, it would die. But, God made it perfect.
Yes, it did. He made it absolutely perfect.
If you just go left in that sage flat, just look in the sage flat, he's coming toward us right now.
Pretty funny. Sitting here watching this big buck. There's some fellow hunters just drove right by him. He's smart, laying down, hiding. He's just watching them as they ride by. They're 100 yards from him right now. These are pretty nice knives.
The buck knife?
Yeah, they got this rubber handle on them.
You know how some knives you get them and you think they're sharp, then you go got a deer with them and they don't do nothing.
We found a big buck and we're gonna go get him.
Proud dad moment right now. Watching my son Flint climb this hill, going after a really nice mule deer. It's about to be a great day. How far is he?
All I can see is his butt.
As soon as he,
Should I wait for him to like turn?
as soon as he turns broadside.
Is it going too high?
No, it's kind of all over the place right now. But it's close where he is.
He's right there, broadside.
Hang on. Good.
Okay.
He says he's all over the place.
Oh, he's all over the place. So if you ain't steady, don't take it. It's okay. He went behind the tree. You're okay.
I sure love it out here, Flint. Well, it sure is awesome. You know, to be able to spend time with you like this. It's amazing to watch you grow up the way you have. You showed a lot of maturity yesterday. Being patient, waiting that deer out. Even though he didn't give us a shot, it just wasn't meant to happen. But the day's a new day. Maybe we'll find him or find another one.
Or bigger.
Or bigger. He's right at the edge with his ears, and he's got that left side's really good on them.
Heavy.
On the sports.
On that side.
This is definitely the best deer we've seen. He's got eye guards.
Probably little.
I think they're little ones.
Yeah. But look, that side's deep. Deep.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's make a move. So we're just gonna ease our way in there. We got all day. We'll take our time. Just be real quiet. I'll take my time.
You good with that? Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, I guess I'm ready.
All right. You just get ready.
Okay.
The safety is off now, so don't touch that trigger unless you're ready to shoot. Okay. Stay steady.
It don't get much better than that. You set up better than anyone I've seen. That was quick. You got on him perfect. I mean, you were like, you saw him, and then as soon as he stopped right there, when he made that noise, you thumped him. All we gotta do is wait, and we'll be patient. That was the heck of a shot, though. You couldn't have placed it any better.
Huh? Look at that deer flat. Look how big he is. 360 yards. Good job. Pick him up. Let's take a picture.
Sweet kick already. Big buck, buddy. Yeah.
It's a beautiful buck.
What do you think?
Big. That'll do.
That'll do.
That'll do.
I can't express how proud I am. You know, we got a lot of good team here. Ethan and Isaiah, E3. This is definitely a team effort. Don't you agree? We spent 2 full days chasing this deer all over this this flat here. It's just a very special moment for me to spend this with you. I love you, buddy.